Let's face it, the last few years have put a big strain on a lot of homeowners. And if you're finding yourself struggling to make your mortgage payments or you're already in default on your mortgage, there is help out there. Chae duPont is a partner in the law firm of Morris duPont and specializes in real estate and mortgage issues. And she is back now. If it's Tuesday, it must be Chae Day.
That's right.
She's back now with some very important help and answers for you, which is the most important thing. All right, we're talking about these government programs, federal government programs, which have been around for nearly 5 years now, Chae.
Just about.
Yeah, first of all, a lot of people, I think, have lost some faith in these programs and in what they can do. Why is that?
Because in the beginning, these programs were launched in March of 2009. We're talking about the Making Home Affordable program sponsored by the Department of Treasury. And underneath that umbrella, there's HARP, HAFA, HAMP. There's these different programs available. Well, the government announced those programs in March of 2009, and it took the lenders a long time to actually, train their people and
to be able to speed.
Yeah, and to do them well. It really wasn't until 2012 that we saw real precision happening and really great results in the time frames that they were required to do it. And so if people had tried to qualify for loan modification previously, if they had tried to get into some of these programs and they were having difficulty or they were denied, they might want to look again and try again, because it's a different environment out there now, and these programs are much better and they're getting great results.
Okay, so how does the program work, or any of these programs work?
Well, you have to qualify, so you can contact your lender. You can go to makinghomeaffordable.gov, or you can go to an attorney such as myself. We offer free consultations so that you can understand whether or not you can qualify. What is your gross monthly income? What is the value of the property? Is the property secured by Fannie or Freddie? It makes a difference as to what programs you could qualify for.
I think part of the reason why people have lost faith is we've heard these stories about people having to submit and resubmit their documents over and over and over again. Is that still happening, or has that been cleared up?
Jerry,
it's still happening.
Oh, not as much as it was.
Right.
But yes, it still happens, because there's some tricks of the trade you need to know to do it right. I know them. I know how to do them. I get great results. And I've got that radio show, so I'm offering that free advice, 2 hours on every Saturday live, telling people how to do this. If we had more time, I would sit here and explain it all. But they can go to the website, they can get a free consultation, they can listen to the radio show, and I'm going to give people those tips to be able to submit the best possible application to get the best possible results.
How long does the process take?
Normally it takes about, I'd say, 90 days before you can get into what's called a trial modification, where your lender is saying, okay, we think you qualify, we're going to have you pay a lower amount for the next 3 months, and if you make those payments and all your paperwork checks out, then we're going to be able to qualify you.
And real quick, when will these programs, or will they, in fact, expire?
They are. They're planning on expiring them. The government says that they're going to expire them now in December of 2015. Now, they've extended them twice, and if they still need them, then maybe we'll see an extension. But right now, you should assume that they're going to expire in under 2 years. So if you're going to do it now.
Do it now. Okay, great advice, Chae. For a free consultation to discuss these issues you're facing with your property, you can call 800-974-2712, or you can learn more about this issue by visiting Chae's website at homemortgagelaw.com. You can also listen for Chae duPont, one of the hosts of the Home Mortgage Law Show, heard locally every Saturday from 2 to 4 on News Radio 970 AM WFLA. And she also has radio shows in other parts of the country. And for more information on that, you can go to daytimeonline.tv. Chae, we will see you next Tuesday.
You bet.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you.
All right, you take care. And we'll be right back with more Daytime right after this.